Hey, it's Vance. I'm Kellen. I'm gonna show you how to disassemble the Daisy 880. I'm gonna get this red aluminum table going. Oh, I probably should have got a screwdriver. God damn it. Screwdriver probably wouldn't help. Okay, I don't know if you can get in there. Okay, you do. Okay, I'm gonna pause this for a second. Be back. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to disassemble the Daisy 880, okay? Remove these screws up front. With these two screws, you should be able to pop this up and be able to pull it away. Do the same thing with the other side. Pull that out. There's a pin right here. You can't take it out, you have to push this up, okay? And then you pull it out. This is the hard part. You gotta pull this out super carefully so you don't lose those two wheels. And actually, they just rolled away. So, here's your Daisy. Let me get all this crap out of the way. Look at that. I'm back. I got the two wheels. They ride inside of here. Gotta be careful about that. I have ammunition inside of here. So I'm gonna do. Is okay. Oh, here. Okay, I got this already. Make sure you keep all your screws and all this crap organized. Gonna do. There's a screw up top of here. Gonna remove that. These ones right below it. These ones just a couple of twists and they're out. They're pretty small screws. Let me show you what screws I'm talking about, okay? These ones. And on this side with the that one and that one, okay? Just let you know. You remove the other two screws later in the process. Just pull out. What you gotta do? You gotta know how to take the. I know how to take all this crap off now. I just pulled off. This is the housing of the barrel. This is the front sight. Okay. Let me move all this stuff over here. This is the Daisy 880. You're pretty much standard design. We're gonna start getting a little complicated here pretty damn soon. I'm gonna move the other screw here. And better watch out for the barrel. Don't bend it. So you want to remove pressure from the barrel when you're doing this. You probably want to hold it up, or hold it off your work surface. There's another screw right there. Just remove that. You get these screws here. I'm going to pause it when I'm done removing them. Okay, I'm back. I moved all the screws. I only have one left on here. You gotta hold these two pieces together tight. What you want to do? You want to have the raised side here. See how I have it? Carefully take this out. You have to pull it out. You got the spring here, which is not much of a spring. Let me get this. It's what hits. When this is up, this is what holds it up. And this is the whole side thing. The ammo plate, that will come out sometimes. So you gotta watch out for that when you put it back together. Now this is the tricky part. What you do is you pull back, push this forward until it doesn't go in the hole. You should be able to. You're gonna have a little bit of trouble, and it comes right off. And then you just pull the stock off, just like that. And then with this, you got a pin right here. Pop that out. Here's the compression tube. You can pull that off if you want to. I don't really care to. And there's your internal workings of the Daisy 880. It's pretty much nothing. For this part, a little more hard. You just gotta push this up while pulling this up too. See, you're pushing up on this, and you pretty much just separate these two. What you do is you bend it like, see that? And these two pieces come apart. And there's your Daisy 880. It's a pretty simple design. Stock. Now, if you do break the stock, that's how you have to take everything apart. If you do put it together without the stock and you pump it up 20 times and do I call it shotgun mode, where you load a whole bunch of bees in the barrel at once. Once you do that, it has some recoil to it, but here's the stock. It's actually maybe 4 or 5 ounces. It's pretty light stock. Now, that's the end of disassembling. Now, here comes assembling.